skip the hotel and go straight to the auditorium, okay?
It's about time he got back on stage. I love you.
Tom, you're alive. That's the great Tom Selznick.
Tom Selznick, the new Rachmaninoff. If only he didn't choke.
Hey. Very funny.
I'm gonna screw up, Norman. I know it.
Congratulations. The whole place is packed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Selznick.
Get back on stage. Now you know the meaning of stage fright. Call for help, and I will hear it. Get a guard involved, I will know it. If you do any of these things, your wife will die. Play a wrong note, and you will die.
I'll give you all the money I have.
I don't want your money.
And what?
I want you to play the most flawless concert of your life. Got your attention? Don't disappoint me, Tom.